This simplified advertising tab helps you to efficiently track, analyze and modify your ad campaigns. By watching this tutorial, you will be able to check the performance of your ad campaigns, pause, resume or abort ad campaigns. First, let us understand how to check the performance of ad campaigns. Click on the Advertising tab to view all your ad campaigns. Click here to view all your active or inactive campaigns. Click here to filter the list of campaigns further. To check the performance of a particular campaign, click on a campaign name. You will come to this page, which will show all the details for the selected campaign. The status of the campaign appears here. This selection shows performance of the campaign, and this selection shows the exhausted, remaining and allocated budget. You can get a detailed report by clicking on this button. Exhausted budget is the amount that has been used till now based on actions performed on your ads. Remaining budget is the budget that will be used till the end of the campaign. Allocated budget is the total budget set by you for a campaign. Let us understand the different activities that you can check on this page. Please note that all order-related metrics may change for up to 7 days post the campaign has ended. Views are the number of times your ad has been shown to the customers till now. Actions. This is the number of actions performed by customers on your ad. A tap on the ad, scrolling, and pinch to zoom the ad on product page view are considered an action. Cost per order is the ratio of ad spend to orders. This is calculated as total ad spend by total number of orders. Revenue is the total amount earned from the orders generated through ads. Cost per action is the amount Flipkart charges you for every action performed by customers on your ads. Campaigns are charged only on cost per action CPX basis. Action rate is the ratio of actions to ad views. This is calculated as total actions by total ad views. Conversion rate is the ratio of orders to actions. This is calculated as total orders by total actions. ROI is the total revenue generated through the campaign. This is calculated as total revenue by total ad spent. How to pause, resume or abort an ad campaign. Method 1. Click on campaign name. You will come to the campaign summary page. Click on the desired button. Method 2. Check the box next to campaign name and click on the desired button to modify the campaign. Please note that icons will be active only for the valid actions. Method 3. To modify campaigns in bulk, click here to select all campaigns for bulk action and click on the desired button to modify the campaigns. Please keep in mind the following points while you are modifying a campaign. When a campaign is paused, the remaining budget continues to be on hold till it is either resumed and completed or aborted. If a campaign is aborted, the final consumption is calculated and the remaining balance, if any, will be returned to the COD balance. A live campaign can be paused or aborted. A paused campaign can be resumed or aborted. Once aborted, a campaign cannot be resumed. So now you have learned how to track an ad campaign. You will now be able to analyze and modify multiple campaigns easily within a few minutes.